live. We're there for you. ABC4 News at 10 starts now.
Welcome to ABC4 News at 10. I'm Glenn Mills.
And I'm Emily Flores. We thank you for joining us here tonight. He's been repeatedly accused of sex crimes. Every time 27-year-old Jonathan Soberanis has faced serious charges, including crimes against children, a judge has dismissed his case, not because he was found innocent, instead that he is not competent to go through trial. In his latest case, the Attorney General's office argued Soberanis may be playing up his disability. Investigators saying he has used a New Zealand storage platform to download and distribute child pornography with end-to-end encryption. ABC4's Courtney Johns joining us live in studio with more on the judge's latest ruling and what this means going forward. Courtney.
Emily, the judge says all of Jonathan Soberanis' evaluators over the years have said he's not competent, and he agrees. But instead of dismissing the case, he does something no judge has ever done with Soberanis.
I can't even believe that I have to write it, or that anyone should have to write anything like this.
Stephanie Davis has spent countless hours writing this victim impact statement.
Months. Months.
Waiting for her chance to tell a judge what she says Jonathan Soberanis has done.
The incident on January 11th changed my family's life, and my son will have to work for the rest of his life to heal from the trauma that he has suffered.
Davis says Soberanis peered in her son's window and tried to get inside. Her son holding the door shut and locking it.
He was smart and he was brave, and that's what saved him from knowing deeper and darker pain.
In this most recent case, Soberanis is also accused of sexually assaulting a 5-year-old at the Lehigh Legacy Center. A police court documents state he was banned from in 2015 for masturbating in the locker room.
No more children should have to suffer from Jonathan's hand, and there's plenty of evidence to show what a danger he is.
In at least 6 separate cases, a judge has found Soberanis not competent to stand trial.
I know, I'm not stupid.
Dismissing all charges.
You're gonna get more charges. I need a lawyer!
His disability is not more important than what he's doing to his victims.
Mr. Soberanis has recently demonstrated some higher order thought, including showing some understanding that his recent actions should be hidden and an ability to take steps to cover his track.
A judge noting Soberanis has shown inconsistencies in his abilities, but agreeing with 2 evaluators that he is not competent. However,
there may be a substantial probability that defendant's competency may be restored in the foreseeable future.
For the first time ever, the judge orders Soberanis to undergo restoration treatment to see if he can become competent to stand trial.
And our justice system just allows Jonathan and men and women like him to slip through the cracks and create more victims.
While Davis says she had hoped Soberanis would finally stand trial, she says this,
I'm here to protect our children,
is a step in the right direction.
I don't understand why it took me fighting as hard as I have to get someone to listen, but it appears something's happening.
The judge did grant the state's request for Soberanis to be put in a secure setting while he undergoes restoration treatment. In 90 days, the Department of Health and Human Services will report back to the judge on his progress. And if DHHS says he's not restorable, he could be released. But because he's also facing federal child pornography charges, he would likely remain in a secure facility. Back to you.